Hello everyone, I am Sri Harish Kumar, B.Sc Psychology, Dr. MGR University, Educational and Research Institute. I have completed the thesis dissertation. My research topic is the level of acceptance on LGBT community amongst college students with the gender differences. My research aimed to be determine the level of acceptance and gender differences with the LGBT community people. Then the individuals tagged that the LGBT community have the basic rights. The completed thesis was research design, maybe the comparative design. This comparative design qualitative study. The study conducted based on the scale 80 LGBTQ plus by Indian author Subham Singhal in 2019. Then the scale was suggests that the three parameters on acceptance, the perceptions on human rights and awareness and knowledge about the LGBT community and their in daily inclusion life. Then the research was conducted based on the null hypothesis, then it should be rejected on the alternative hypothesis. There is a gender differences between the LGBT community and based among college students, and they have the gender differences in the college students. The female members or college students are more than the male acceptance on the LGBT community. Then they suggest that the acceptance on female, they have the higher acceptance on the LGBT awareness, knowledge and human rights and inclusion daily life. This based on the families and by friends. Then the LGBT community people, they have the intervention studies for their rights and they want to be a authentic self. This study aimed to be an acceptance of LGBT community is rejected, then acceptance may be developed by this study. Then the study suggested to the more studies on these areas and involves major corresponding areas in the school students, then college students, then families, friends, medical students in many areas. Thank you.